In this tutorial, I'll show you how to center elements in Webflow. Let's get started. Open your Webflow project and select the element you want to center, such as an image, text block, or button. In the Style panel, set the element to block if needed. If you're centering an image or another fixed size element, give it a width so Webflow can position it correctly. Scroll to the spacing section and set the left and right margins to auto by clicking the Center Element option. This will horizontally center the element within its parent container. If you're centering multiple elements or need both horizontal and vertical alignment, set the parent container to Flex and use the Center Alignment options. Preview your page to make sure everything is aligned correctly, then publish your website if you're happy with the result. That's how to center elements in Webflow. Thanks for watching.